Open Paytm app and you will see this FASTag option and buy FASTag. Click on this FASTag option. As I am going to buy FASTag for my car, so I'm going to click on buy FASTag for car, jeep and van. Here you can put your vehicle registration number and front photo of RC and back photo of RC. After uploading all those photos, now click on this buy for rupees 500 button and book your PaytmFASTag. I have received PaytmFASTag within 3 days to my doorstep. This one pouch is present in this packet. Let's open this pouch. Now let's see what's inside this pouch. Just open it. One booklet, one form, and the FASTag sticker. Front side of my car where we need to paste our FASTag sticker. A previous toll sticker is present right now, so we need to check the space for our FASTag. Let's see. FASTag should be placed just behind this view mirror in the center of your windshield. This is already present card, so we need to place our FASTag here on the left side. So now let's check the positioning of this fast card. Here this location is good, so let's open this and paste this fast card here. Now paste this FASTag card with full precaution. Properly stick it. It's done. Now check the position of FASTag from outside. This is that position. Make sure you stick your FASTag from inside and not outside.